Imagine a place where time slows down, a place untouched by the rush of the world, where nature and culture live in perfect harmony. This is Batanes, the northernmost province of the Philippines. Here, the Ivatan people have built their homes with the land itself, strong, resilient, and beautifully simple. These houses, made of coral stone and limestone, have stood through centuries of storms, just like the people who call this place home. The food here tells a story too, from fresh fish, native vegetables, and the famous Ivatan bread. These are all part of the daily life. It's a reminder of how the people of Batanes live with what the land offers, and in perfect balance. This is Batanes, where every view is a postcard and every person is a story. Join me as we uncover the beauty of the history and the warmth of this hidden gem in the Philippines.